Korean barbecue marinade for the salmon and we got that cooking out here. Got it going already. On the bullet from Bass Pro Shop, bought it about 4 years ago. Works really good. Put some olive oil on there on the grate so it won't stick to the fish, just leaving it skin down. Temperature's up a little high, but that's okay. There it is there. Salmon. And then we got the temp there. About 400. It's a little high, but it's barbecuing, so it should be okay. A little bit of salmon. And we also got a little bit of ahi tuna. Ahi tuna. There it is there. Put the charcoal on the sides. And then start it right there with my catcher over here on this side. My charcoal starter. Made a hole in the middle in this charcoal that was already there actually. And it was about 20 minutes, the charcoal starter, and it's looking pretty good. Probably about another 5 or 10 minutes, just like in the oven. All right. See you in a bit. And here is the other piece of salmon. Put on the grill. Marinated, and also the Korean barbecue. Can't go wrong. Skin side down. Inside down. Let it ride. Some nice 3 pieces. Good source of fish oil. Good for the skin and for the heart. A little side of vegetables. Alright. Get back to you when the cook is over. There's my cat. I give him a little piece of the fish as well. Put the lid on here. Got some wood on there actually. Got some chunks of wood. It's barbecue cooking chunks by Western. You can buy that at your local super grocery store nearby. Always good for the barbecue session. So we're like start to finish, I would say about an hour, starting the charcoal with the charcoal starter. And I'm leaving the door open because it is running a little hot. So if you have one of these, if you're running it on ideal, the temperature is basically about 350. So it's about 350. We're gonna just do barbecue really quick, maybe like 9 to 15 minutes on the grill, if that. Okay, just let her ride. Here we go. We got a little bit of Korean barbecue right here in a little dish, the little brush. Brush it on the fish. Get that going. bad, not bad. Give it a little bit more time. Still looks like it's in. Oh, it's going. The heat's going down a little bit. Just double check that heat. Still about 350. Don't look too bad. Those two were frozen. And this one was ready to be cooked. That's why I threw it on the Barbie this first day of summer here. All right. And just let them go like that. Probably won't flip them over. Just let them smoke a little bit in there. Got some wood chips in there. So we'll just hang on to our hats. They're about 15 minutes. All right. We're going to take some temperatures right now. It looks like this one is below ideal. So it looks like the flame is going down, which is good, but not good. Okay, now this one is $120. And the ahi tuna that was frozen is a little bit under 120. Okay, so we'll just leave them on there for a bit more just to be on the safe side.